Hi, I'm Katie Jane from Kennedy Violins, and I'm here to talk to you about our Bunnel heavy metal violin effect pedal. To make the most of your electric violin playing, use one of Kennedy Violin's 4 dynamic violins effects pedals. The Bunnel heavy metal pedal is the ultimate in heavy metal and distortion sounds that gives you a wide dynamic range with these 3 different tones, knobs, so that you can really dial in your sound. To use your pedal, you can plug it in with an AC adapter, which is not included but many people have at home, or use the 9-volt battery that you slip in the back here that is included with your pedal. Just like many guitar stomp pedals, the pedal is meant to be played on the ground so that you can easily turn it on and off with the tap of your foot. These 3 knobs here allow you to totally dial in your perfect heavy metal sound. The first knob here is the level, so you can adjust the volume of your instrument. Second is the tone knob, which is going to adjust the highs and lows of your instrument tone. And the last one is the distortion knob, which adds the dynamic distortion sounds from low to high. Let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like. To use the pedal, you'll need 2 1/4-inch cables. Both will plug into the pedal, and one will plug into your instrument, and the other will plug into your speaker or amplifier. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about our pedals or anything at all, feel free to give us a call at our local shop in Vancouver, Washington at 800-779-0242 or give us an email at support@kennedyviolins.com. We're all musicians and teachers here at Kennedy Violins, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much.